Hey Kit, where are you, man? Do you know where you're at? Well, yeah, Dad. I'm about ready to sniff this tree. It's very windy, okay? Hopefully my microphone mod is blocking it out. But I brought you guys back up here to Gladys Russell again. But the other side! We was going to go to Versailles State Park, but to be totally honest with you, I got to get gas in my vehicle and I won't be able to get any money for the gas until tomorrow. That's when I get paid, and yeah. So, actually it ain't when I get paid. So my wife gets paid. I did have enough gas to go out to Versailles, but I don't like to push it. Actually, we probably could have made it out there many times. But anyway, guys, I'm going to show you the lake from the other side, and from what I can see from here, it looks like it's the moss is gone. But we'll know more when we get down there. Now Kit and Angie, and I got my son Justin with me, they're way up there. My leg seems to be doing a lot better, although it's hurting right now. And I haven't had Tylenol all day today so far. That's right. So that's a good thing. I am slowly healing. I just hope it keeps doing so. Let's get up here and get some Kit, lake, and get some beauty. I'll give you this shot right here before we get up further. Now, back last year, we're going to be on a dock here in a little bit. Okay, my camera started to act up, so I got to do this clip over. But back last year, we fished off this dock. We fished all around here. Angie and I did. It's not bad for fishing if you choose to do so. We caught a ton of bluegill, and my wife caught a ton of crappie. All right, we're going to up on this dock. Maybe I do some beauty shots and add some of my guitar music to it. And yeah, it ain't the best guitar music, trust me. But hey, I can't use royalty-free music out of YouTube no more, so I have to come up with my own garbage. So let's get this on here and get some beauty shots. Oh, there is some moss on the water, but it's beautiful. I gotta make a correction because my son, which is smarter than I am, what I was calling moss in a couple different videos as well as this one, that's algae. It's in the water, it's not moss. Overlook my ignorance. Now, last two times we've been up here, we was right over yonder there, right over there. Actually, we was right about there, but I see there's a bench over there, and isn't this lake beautiful? Holy smokes. Goes all the way down. All right, we're gonna walk around over by the barn and let's get to it. If you're asking yourself what the big deal is going to Versailles, well, it's obvious I love to fish here. When we go tomorrow, I don't know if we'll be fishing. It's all depends, very doubtful. But I wanna see how Kit does. I want to see how my puppy does because he will be going fishing with us. And Versailles is one of the places we fish at the most. So when we get there, we're going to go to, you know, just see how he does. We're going to stay in one area for a good piece and just to see if he acts up or what. See what he thinks. Right now, he's in heaven. He's enjoying this. He loves these outings. And I'm very thankful for that. Okay, I ain't gonna be able to walk him on the pavement up here. This pavement right here, I checked it's okay, but the pavement up here is a little warmsy. So we're gonna cut off through the grass and go up by the barn. See that big tree right there? There's a huge branch, and we'll go over to it in just a second. This big branch just kind of came out of this big tree, and my son I say about 10 seconds, was standing right there. It broke out of this big, huge tree. Holy. As we're approaching away from the tree, my son, the silly man that he is, says, Dad, that's moss on the side of that tree. Yeah, I wonder, you know, it was back a couple, well, when I made the video over that, over yonder back there, back, oh shoot, when we was talking about getting a puppy, wonder how many viewers then says, look, you idiot, that's not moss, that's algae. All right, guys, I'm not going to go in and talk about the trails up here that much, but we've hit them all, and he will eventually hit them too when he gets older. Right now, we're just getting him to get a smell of the place, and yeah, let's go by the barns. Let's get some more Kit and barns, and oh, come on, Kit. Good boy, good boy. All right, Kit. Go ahead and be nosy. You're allowed. Where you want to go? Huh? You want to go to the restroom?
Yeah, I don't need to go to the restroom.
I think that's the ladies' restroom anyway. You're not a lady. You're a boy.
Squeaking.
Where's he want to go now? Okay, come on. Let's go out this way, Kit. There you go. Hey, Kit. Give me a good thumbnail. Kit. I don't know if he's going to work. I don't know if it's going to work, but sit. Sit. Sit, Kit. Sit. Now, he's too excited. He's not going to give me any sit. I won't be able to use any commands on him right now because he just wants to smell, but that's okay. Let's go. Let's go smell everything you want. You tell me where you want to go, and I'll wobble behind you. That's right. You pull me, well, try not to pull me too much, please, Kit. Now, whenever I take Kit to a place for the first time in, pretty much until he starts getting older, especially if we're out in places like this, I'm just going to let him take me where he wants to go. I'm not going to use the to me command that much. For one reason, he's still a puppy. Two, I want him to explore. I want him to basically kind of get an idea what it is out here. If I'm keeping him on command the whole time, how's he going to know anything? He's not. So, he took me into a complete circle. Kit, and by the way, my dog's name is Kit, but half the time I got to come clean with y'all, I call him little dude. Yes, I do. His name's Kit. He knows his name. Come on, Kit. Oh, he stopped dead in his tracks in here. You didn't want to go in there, did you? I think the reason you want to go back in there because at one time he used to keep horses here. They did when we first found this place in 2017 or 16. They was very popular for keeping horses. You still may smell some of them leftover smells. But where was I? Oh, yeah. His name's Kit. He knows his name, but a lot of times I call him little dude. All right, where are we going now, Kit? You gonna smell some of these old timbers? One of these days, we'll be going through here and he'll be hiking his leg. I'm just following Kit wherever he takes me. He's just been picking up all these smells. Where's Mom at, Kit? Oh, there's Mommy. There's Mommy. So, oh my God, are you serious?
Yeah.
Are we allowed in there?
I don't know. It used to be locked.
I don't think.
We're not going in.
No, we're not going in, but the door's unlocked. But here's what it looks like inside this barn, y'all. I just peeked my head in there. I'm not going to take Kit in there. You know, I did not think it would look like that personally.
Yeah.
Well, I expected more. But yeah, every other time we came up here, this door was locked. Yeah, we don't want to venture in just in case, you know, for some reason it's supposed to be locked and you know. Now we're back into the heat tomorrow. That shouldn't stop us if we go out either early enough to Versailles or late enough. We're still gonna go out there. And Kit, what are you doing? We're gonna go explore Versailles tomorrow. And like I told you earlier, it's mainly to see how Kit will do. Because I really hope he takes to it. I do. Because that would be awesome to take my puppy fishing. And then when he gets a little older, we'll be taking him on hikes. Right now I got a little pain in the leg. Maybe I should have took 2 Tylenol before we left. But I didn't. But guys, this has been today's video. I'm going to see about trying to get some thumbnails. And I still have to edit up the video you've seen before this yet. Yeah, I haven't done no editing to that whatsoever. None. And now I have 2 videos to edit up, right? Till next time, guys, come on. Let's get out of here. Kit and I, my wife, and even my son. Hope you have a fantastic day. Come on. I'll see you next time.